Hey there, welcome to the GEX Bible. How's everyone doing today? I'm Sarah. It's Thursday, May 7, 9:40 a.m. ET. Here with Eric for the SPX Opening Bell Structural Read. Quick disclaimer up top before we get into it. First things first. What follows is a structural read of SPX GEX data, for education only, not financial advice.
Yep, not advisors, not recommendations, your own risk. Let's get into it.
So Eric, what are we looking at this morning?
If you look at the levels panel on the right of the dashboard, the headline numbers are right there. Net GEX is plus 286.7 million. Regime is positive. Spot is 7,370, above the flip at 7,345.
What does that tell us about the day?
Means dealers are damping moves and the walls have teeth. That's the through line for the whole session.
On the levels panel, what stands out?
On the levels panel, look up first. A call wall stack at 73.75 and 73.80. Those are the strikes labeled with the red call wall markers. Now, scroll your eye down past the ATM line at 73.70. You can see a put wall stack at 73.45 and 73.40 on the panel. Those are the blue put wall markers.
So the box is 73.45 to 73.75?
Right. First wall touch is where today's tape writes itself.
If you had to pick one thing to watch?
Price reaching 7,375. In strong positive gamma, the call wall fades, unless GEX expands meaningfully through that strike, which would tell me the structure is breaking.
Give me the two scenarios, bear and bull.
Bear scenario. If spot breaks below 73.45 with GEX contracting, the framework predicts acceleration towards 73.35. That put wall is the next structural target. Bull scenario. If spot pushes above 7,375 with GEX expanding, the framework predicts continuation towards 7,385. The call wall flips from resistance to magnet.
Worth saying, those are structural predictions, not trade calls. Eric isn't telling you to do anything.
Right. Read your own SPX structure. Take your own risk.
That wraps the morning read. End of day recap is up after 4. Last word, Eric?
Trade your own risk. The dealer has to come back and come back and come back. We'll see you at 4:30.
Hit subscribe if SPX structural reads help your trading. Thanks for joining us this morning. Goodbye. Trade safe out there.
Before we sign off, something to sit with. The framework does not predict the next move. It reads what the dealer must do when the next move arrives. Today's structural read is exactly the territory.
That's it for this one. Trade your own risk. See you on the next one.